preserve, our cultural heritage. So I think this is just an aspect of the questions that I wanted to ask about the choice, the intentional choice of the repertoire. But knowing how intentional you were in highlighting the icons in Kalan's music and in Dominica's music in general, I wanted to know how can we encourage young people to go for this genre of music, especially knowing what is trending today, and especially knowing that the people who have laid the foundation are now getting older and we need people to take over. How can we encourage the young people to?
Well, events like this are meant to do just that, to highlight the music at a level and a standard that is so poignant, so in your face that you recognize it and you recognize how good it is, and then you see how people appreciate it. People from other countries who come here and they appreciate the music, and so you develop not just an appreciation for it, but a pride in it. And so I think more events like this, more artists like myself taking on the mantle and carrying that mantle forward and passing on that the baton, if you will, to the next generation is what is needed. It's just that I think I wouldn't say that I'm a lone star in that arena, but sometimes I do feel that way. But I think there are more people that can join the fight, and it's not that it's not a knock on modern music, but this is something that we really need to be proud of. It's a rich heritage for Dominica and has influenced so many other genres across the world that we shouldn't just let, that legacy sort of go dormant. And so it's my job, I feel, as a custodian to carry that forward.
Quickly as